parang hindi talaga nag-next level,
Di
Tito
bale.
Boy.
Let's look forward to
Yes,
that.
Tito Boy.
Mimia,
Yes.
maraming salamat.
Thank you, Tito Boy.
Thank you so much.
Yay! Thank you, Tito Boy. I love
Maraming
you.
salamat.
Thank you
Love
for
you.
having me.
We'll see you again tomorrow. Dito lang po sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Goodbye for now and God bless.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.